See, I got 2 of them, and I only paid $181. So look, my items, I got 23 items. My subtotal was $99.30. I'm sorry, I can't see y'all. $99.87. My estimated savings was $46.66. I saved 21 with the sale price, $76, and then the Albertsons for you savings was $24.90. My subtotal was $53.21. With tax, I paid $56.21, and so I saved. Wasn't quite $46 like they see here though, but I did well. I guess it could be because we got to add the tax back to $3. Anyway, so yeah, that's how I try and shop. Everything here that I purchased was actually on sale, so that's how I shop. I just wanted to share that because it may help somebody. We assume people know things, but we don't. You don't have to resort to illegal activity. He just shot right across the parking lot. I could have ran right into him. To illegal activities or begging or doing things illegal. But, you know, it's a good feeling to know at the end of the day that you didn't have to beat anybody. You didn't have to step on anybody's toes or anything to get where you are. And, you know, you go through the struggle and everything. But eventually, through grace and mercy, you see things getting better for you. I've had some times where I've been blessed. And I've talked about this before. And I'm not doing this to boast or brag. I just want to help somebody, right? I've never had to stay in my house with my lights off because I hadn't paid the bill. I always had a phone. I always had cable. I always was stocked with food. So the Lord made a way for me, and I didn't have to do anything illegal, and I didn't have to, step on nobody's toes to get promoted or go in the store stealing from my job or ratting anybody. Just trying to do and live right. And we had our friends and family day at church, and I was telling somebody, I said, people think that being a Christian is people think that being a Christian is boring. No, it's not. You just stop partying for the world and start partying for Jesus. The Holy Ghost party don't stop. It don't. We had so much fun, y'all. We really did. I had so much fun Friday, Saturday, but I was tired. The first Saturday we fed the community. No, the second Saturday we fed the community. The third Saturday we fed our fathers at church, and the fourth Saturday we had the friends and family. So everybody a little tired, but it was worth it. It was worth it. It was so worth it. I enjoyed myself, but I'm tired. This 4-day weekend, I'm going to take advantage of it. I'm going to take advantage of this 4-day weekend. I sure am. So, I came over here to Albertsons. Albertsons have their 16-day jumbo shrimp, $5.99 a pound. You get a bag, 2-pound bags. I got 2 of those. I try to keep those on deck because I'm thinking about making a chicken shrimp fettuccine for tomorrow. I try to cook. Well, I'm gonna start trying to cook for my on Wednesdays. So, because we had church. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Happy Tuesday. This is the last Tuesday of June 2023. So Albertsons had a sale. It's Tuesday. So y'all know I usually end up going to at least one store to get the sale merchandise. So the things I got today, these cosmic crisp apples were actually on sale at Albertsons. Y'all, these are my favorite. If you haven't tried these, try them. I was watching Marshall Family of 5 last year, I think it was, and she said one of her coworkers told her about them. They're crunchy, crispy, sweet, and sour all at the same time. Love them, love them, love them. You know what? I wonder how they taste with a pie. I got these were 99 cents. The cherry blossom LaCroix. I like these. Let them get real cold. You got your little bubbly. I got this. This was $1.53. This queso. I want to make really soon a dish I'm gonna share with y'all. I got some salted butter. I didn't even realize I had gotten this. I got me 3 avocados. The shrimp was on sale. That's really what I went for. It was $5.99 a pound. So I got 2 bags. I got the extra large eggs. We're having breakfast for dinner tonight. I got some green onion. I got this ground beef. It was $3.99, so it's just 2 pounds. I got that. I like to have it to, and put it up in an event. I want something. You can make so much with it. And then I got me some chicken breast. I'm thinking about making, and I'm not sure, but I'm thinking about making pasta, some type of pasta. All right, that's all. I don't have very much. I just want to come on and share with y'all what I have bought. Y'all, stay safe, stay cool. It is so hot out there. When I got in my car, and this was at 12:30, it was 108 degrees. And I didn't really check it when I got near at 4:30 when I got off. But y'all stay safe, stay cool. If you feel yourself getting too hot, go in. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey y'all, so I wanted to come on real quick and show you how I try and save money shopping ahead and things like that. So at Albertsons, I clicked on a coupon, the Just For You coupon, where I used an extra I got $5 off or whatever. And I noticed that when I shop online at Albertsons, I end up getting discounts on my purchases. For instance, if you see the Haas avocado, they were 3 for 99 cents. See, I got 8 cents off. The green onions were 2 for $1, and I ended up paying 98 cents. I'm sorry. Goodness, I saved 8 cents and they were actually 92 cents. So the ground beef right here, it says $10.94 on the package. It says $10.94 here, but on my written receipt, it was only $7 and something. So I don't know how that happened. And then the chicken breast, it was 3 pounds. It was $5.45. Remember, it was $1.99 a pound. Okay, then I got the shredded cheese. Remember, I told y'all they were $1.53, and I ended up getting 2 of them for $2.79. That salted butter was $2.97. I ended up getting it for $2.74. The eggs, I forget how much they were. I thought they were like I can't remember honestly, but I only paid $2.10. And then the shrimp were $5.99 each, so it should have been $11.98 each package, and I ended up getting them for $21.90 for the both of them. So I got 4 pounds of the extra jumbo shrimp for $21.90. The cosmic crisp apples, I get these every week, and normally when I get 5, I end up paying, like, I paid as much as $8 for the apples. And yes, I did get them, because think about it. I got I paid $8 for 8 apples, right? But I eat one of those apples every morning for breakfast. If I would go get a breakfast sandwich anywhere, I probably would pay no less than maybe $2. And then you got all that grease and all that, and then all I have is the apples. And then I get the peanuts for $4, but that lasts me more than a week. So say for $12, I got my breakfast for the week. But check this out though. So like I said, usually I get like 5, and I pay like 6 or 7, as much as $8, because of the cosmic crisp apples. Fun fact, they are heavy in weight. But anyway, so they were 99 cents a pound, so I ended up paying $3.61, and I got 8 apples, so I have enough for just about 2 weeks. And then remember I told you about the LaCroix was 99 cents each? See, I got 2 of them, and I only paid $1.81. So look, my items, I got 23 items. My subtotal was $99.30. I'm sorry, I can't see y'all. $99.87. My estimated savings was $46.66. I saved 21 with the sale price, $76, and then the Albertsons For You savings was $24.90. My subtotal was $53.21. With tax, I paid $56.21, and so I saved, wasn't quite $46 like they see it here though, but I did. Well, I guess it could be because we got to add the tax back to $3. Anyway, so yeah, that's how I try and shop. Everything here that I purchased was actually on sale, so that's how I shop. I just wanted to share that because it may help somebody. We assume people know things, but we don't. All right, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Y'all be blessed. Have a good day.